Hi, my name's June. Welcome to another drone video on my channel. This week I am in Salzburg, which is in the west of Austria. I am actually on a training camp, summer camp with my National Taekwondo Federation. That's not what I'll be showing you here, but if you are interested in such things, I do obviously highly recommend to check out Taekwondo. It's a very good thing for the body to do, for the mind as well. But this is a very nice valley that we're in. It's called Eben in Pongau, or Eben im Pongau, sorry, that would be the correct German. And I thought, as I brought the drone, I might as well show you some nice shots of this. Okay, so I hope they turn out alright. At least it's a very beautiful day, there's not a cloud in the sky. Ideal conditions. Let's go. We have also had some days with some clouds and also particularly fog in the mornings. Fortunately, I couldn't get out with the drone because I'm here to train, of course, and I'm also an instructor. So I have to take what I can. I do hope though that maybe over the next 1 or 2 days we might have a bit of a different weather situation, because particularly these mountains behind us, once the fog is sort of gliding over the trees, it makes for a really beautiful image. I'll see if I can capture some of that as well someday. If not, I hope the sunny pictures and videos will suffice. Stroke of luck on the last day. As you can see behind me, we've got all this lovely fog to fly in. Sorry, I'd like to turn this around, but the Osmo is focused on me. I forgot that, but you can see it behind me. And so this is really great. I've just flown with the drone, so you're about to see some of the most exciting shots that I ever took. I mean, they might look boring to you, but for me it was very exciting to fly around the fog and see what it does to its surroundings. This is now the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please feel free to like and share the video, subscribe to the channel for more drone videos, or if you like film reviews, I've got them as well. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.